The Maker Pro 7-in-1 multi-purpose tool set is a Kickstarter project that aims to be a convenient and innovative solution for your DIY needs by combining 17 different tools into one compact unit. Here's a breakdown of its features and potential pros and cons to help you decide if it's right for you. Features: times 17 tools in one. Includes a hammer, drill, saw, screwdriver, wrench, pliers, bottle opener, and more, eliminating the need for multiple separate tools. Compact and portable, the all-in-one design makes it easy to store and carry around, perfect for home projects, travel, or emergencies. Interchangeable bits. The drill and screwdriver utilize different bits for various tasks, providing versatility. Foldable design. Some tools like the pliers and saw fold into the main body for added compactness. Durable construction, made from high-quality steel for long-lasting use. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Maker Pro. Pros: convenience, versatility, portability, durability. Cons: limited functionality, durability concerns, new product, price. Overall, the Maker Pro 7-in-1 multipurpose tool set offers an intriguing concept for DIY enthusiasts who value convenience and portability. However, the limited functionality of individual tools, potential durability concerns, and lack of user reviews necessitate waiting for more information and considering alternatives before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.